Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the NV Player application on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So head over to your dash, and I'll show you to do this in 2 steps. The first step will be enabling your device to allow installation of applications from unknown sources. The second step will be to download and install the application. So follow me to the first step. I'm going to go to quick settings and all settings. Now we'll navigate down to system, and then about. Now we'll scroll down until we find the option that says build number. So click on it 7 times and that will enable you to become a developer. So as a developer, you can allow certain apps to install other applications from unknown sources or to install unknown apps. So if that's done, then the first part of the tutorial is done. You can just verify that by seeing that you have these developer options added to this list of system settings. Now that if you're completed with that, just come over here and move to the APK time application where we'll be downloading the NV player. So from here, if you do not have this app, check the link in the description below, download the application so that you can use it. When you have the app, open it up and I'll walk you through how to get to the list in the first place. So right here, you open the app, you look like this. You just load up and give you this list of different categories of applications. So you're going to navigate this list until you find the option that says players and browsers. Click on it and you're in. Now on this list, scroll down on all these applications and you find the NV Player application right down here close to the bottom of the list. So right there you see the NV Player application. I'm going with the 32-bit model. So right there you see my trigger on the download button, it is green. So I've already downloaded the application. Click on this button, just trigger the installation process like you were seeing a little earlier. So just click on this and it will download for you. When it finishes downloading, then you find the install button loading up. So the app is staging. When it finishes staging, you just click on install. However, if this is your first time, you find an option that says unknown sources. And you see some applications, they'll present down below that message. Just go to those applications and find the application that is the APK time application. Allow this application to be able to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps by toggling the toggle on. And when that is done, click this install button and you find the app installing to your device. So immediately it's installed, you can access it right here with the open button, or just go back to your app library and open the application from there. So right here you see I've opened the application and I can access the NV player just like this. So if you found that it's helpful, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.